Hey guys, Andrew Carlucci here, your North Florida real estate agent. I'm out here at the Rolling Hills new construction community in Belle, Florida. It's brought to you by Adams Homes. Adams Homes has been building new construction in this region for over 30 years. You know, they build quality, affordable homes, and that's why we're here. It's a buyer's market. So they got some model homes out today. We went and took a look around, and now we're gonna show you guys. Let's go. We're going to start off with some aerial footage of the community, then show some of the beautiful interior footage made with our 3D Matterport scanner. The complete scan will be in the description so you can tour the property digitally. Show some more aerial footage and move on to some of the attractions in the area, like the beautiful springs, some charts outlining stats on the area's population, jobs in the area, schools, and the farm stand. Then we'll finish off with some summer fun on the Suwannee River. Welcome to the Model 1478, approximately 1,478 square feet. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a covered front porch and a covered rear porch in the beautiful Rolling Hills new construction community in Belle, Florida. These charming homes are priced in the low and mid 200s. Right now they're offering sweet incentives like a $20,000 incentive, and some homes even qualify for a super attractive 2.99% introductory rate. Wow. I just had lunch with some of the local sales consultants and the superintendent, Sharon, Athenia, Richard. These are very friendly and welcoming individuals, which makes dealing with them a breeze. And as your trusted real estate agent, I have and will maintain a great relationship with them and other key Adams Homes representatives across the North Florida region. Whether you want to explore the models in this Rolling Hills community or wish to discover properties in neighboring communities such as Fanning Springs, Alachua, and Trenton, I am your go-to agent. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to receive updates on newly listed homes so you don't miss out. Visit my website for more listings in the area as well. I'll provide the link in the description. I'm committed to providing you with a seamless and stress-free home buying experience. Your satisfaction and peace of mind are my top priorities. Contact me today and I'll make sure you find your dream home. Gilchrist County is the spring capital of the world. Belle is nestled in a quiet community with roughly 600 residents and offers a tranquil lifestyle that's near the vibrant city of Gainesville, Florida, home to the University of Florida and the Gators. Enjoy the best of both worlds with easy access to entertainment while enjoying the peaceful serenity of country living. The heart of this area is truly its people, warm, genuine, and always willing to lend a helping hand. Embrace the beauty of the Suwannee River that runs through the area, with over 15 crystal clear springs within a 10-mile radius, and even a crystal clear river nearby, the Itznatucknee River. Also, Belle has exceptional schools with a low student-to-teacher ratio, which ensures your children receive a more individualized attention and a quality education. This is farm country, and it even has a local farmers market on the weekends. They also have local attractions called the farm stand that serves tacos. They have you-pick strawberries and plant flowers to invite the community out for photo shoots. In a field full of color, they sell fresh vegetables and make homemade ice cream, sauces, jams, all made from items grown on the spot. Super fresh, and it's pretty epic. So stay tuned till the end of this video and I'll show you some images of the beautiful springs, the stand, and the river. And I'll even share some research and charts detailing the charm and educational excellence that Belle has to offer. A little bit about Adams Homes. They are a distinguished name in the industry and have crafted over 50,000 quality homes in the past 3 decades. They are committed to simplicity and excellence and are known for offering some of the most affordable homes in the area. Adams Homes meticulously selects prime locations based on affordability and convenience that ensures you're making a smart investment as a homeowner. They also provide optional upgrades in key areas that enhances the overall value of your home. I love my Adams Homes family. They're super nice and I have a great relationship with them, so I am well established to guide you through your home buying process here with ease. Reach out to me at the number displayed on the screen and I'll make sure to take care of your needs. Don't miss out on the latest models being finished by hitting that bell icon and subscribing to my channel so you'll be notified as soon as the next model becomes available so I can get you in before it's gone. I also took professional photography. I did a 3D scan by Matterport and even made a drone video, and I will link them all in the description. Go check them out, and just how I was thorough with this new listing and research, I will do the same due diligence to make sure you are a happy customer. It's not just about selling you a house, it's about providing that value and support every step of the way. Reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns, and I look forward to helping you find your next forever home and or investment property.